Hello students, myself Pavani, lecturer in Computer Science Department in C.R. Reddy College. Today we are discuss about types of e-commerce. Firstly, we know what is e-commerce. E-commerce means buying or selling goods through internet. Buying or selling goods via internet is called e-commerce. Buying or selling products or through internet or in use of internet is called e-commerce. E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce. Okay, now we discuss about types of e-commerce. First one, business to business. Second one, business to consumer. Third one, consumer to business. Fourth one, consumer to consumer. These are the main four types of e-commerce. We have another types like business to government, sixth one, government to business, last one, government to consumer to government. First four are the main types of e-commerce or major types of business models or types of business models. Okay, firstly we have to discuss about these four types. First type is business to business. Shortcut form of business to business is B2B. Okay, now we discuss about business to business e-commerce. Business to business e-commerce means the buying or selling the goods through one business partner and they will sell their goods to the another business partner. Like example, wholesaler to retailer. Example, wholesaler and retailer. In this example, wholesaler selling their goods to retailer for buying. This is called business to business e-commerce. Next one, business to consumer. Business to consumer shortcut form is B2C. In this B2C e-commerce, we have to buying the goods to the consumer. Consumer is not only a user of that product. Like for example, B2C is we are telling the example like B2C. Amazon is a best example for B2C e-commerce model. Amazon is a best example. How you tell Amazon is a best example to B2C means we are buying their goods We are buying the goods for one user. User means consumer. In this B2C model, we have to online business link. Online business link. We must have to online business link. Means we have one business organization and we have a consumer. They sell their goods through link, website link or web link. In this process, B2C means business organization selling their goods to consumer through web link or web page. Okay, next we have to discuss consumer to business. Shortcut form of consumer to business is C2B. Okay, C2B means consumer selling their goods to business. Consumer selling their goods or services to business. In this type, we can say the example as one person gives the product ad for buying their product. Like next one, consumer to consumer shortcut form is C2C. Like in this example, consumer selling their goods to another consumer. Like we have to tell the example like OLX or Alibaba. These are the examples. OLX is the best example for C2C. In this example, OLX means what you know. In this example, in this OLX platform, we have to buy selling their second-hand products or using furniture to the another consumer, another user. We have to do the business. In this example, consumer selling their goods to another consumer. Consumer means what? Consumer is also known as user. User means the product which is used by the person is a user. OLX is the best example for C2C. Okay, these are the main types of e-commerce or types of business models or major elements in business models. We have another 4 types. The another 4 types are explained in the another class or next class. Thank you.